Today, we are unboxing and installing the Kidsmate Height Increase Pull-Up Bar. In this video, we'll show you the complete process from unboxing to installation and product demonstration. So, let's get started. Carefully open the box and remove all packaging materials. Inside the box, you'll find the Kidsmate Height Increase Pull-Up Bar along with mounting cups, screws, spacers, and installation accessories. Now, let's take a closer look at the pull-up bar. The pull-up bar comes with an adjustable telescopic design. Simply rotate the bar to increase or decrease its length according to your installation space. Now, let's look at the included accessories. The package includes mounting cups, screws, and spacers required for installation. To begin the setup process, first assemble the mounting cups using the provided screws and spacers. Next, position the mounting cups on both sides of the wall or doorway. Using a screwdriver, securely fix the mounting cups into place. Make sure both mounting cups are aligned properly before moving to the next step. Now, place the pull-up bar between the mounting cups. Rotate the bar slowly to extend its length. Continue tightening until both ends make firm contact with the mounting cups. Once positioned correctly, perform a final tightening adjustment. The pull-up bar is now installed and ready for use. Before using the bar, always perform a stability check. Apply gentle pressure and make sure the bar is securely locked in position. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. The pull-up bar helps support stretching and hanging exercises. The heavy-duty steel construction provides strength and durability. The safety lock system and anti-slip support pads help ensure secure installation. The adjustable design fits different doorway sizes. It can be used for pull-ups, chin-ups, hanging exercises, stretching, and upper body workouts, suitable for both kids and adults. The compact design makes it easy to install, remove, and store when not in use. Now, let's see the Kidsmate Height Increase Pull-Up Bar in action. As you can see, the sturdy construction provides stable support during everyday workouts. The Kidsmate Height Increase Pull-Up Bar is a simple and effective fitness solution for home use. Thank you for watching. For more Kidsmate product launches, installation guides, detailed features, and latest updates, stay connected with Kidsmate. See you in the next video.